Hello everybody, this is Sanjay and you're watching Vision Sanjay. So today let us unbox the all new Realme U1. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So as we open the box, here we get a smartphone case and some paperwork like important information guide and quick guide. And then at the back side we have the SIM ejector tool. So here you can see. Let's keep these things aside. And then we have the Realme U1 smartphone. So let's keep this aside too. And then we have a charger of 5-volt output and also charging cable. So there's nothing more in the box. Coming to the smartphone, we have the Realme U1 with the ambitious black version. So here you can see it's a glossy ambitious black color. So I will boot this device right now. So here I have already set up the smartphone and let us see about the phone. So this smartphone it is a 4GB and 64GB variant, and it runs ColorOS 5.2 and runs Android version 8.1.0. that's the Oreo. So this smartphone had come with some bloatwares like a UC browser application and also the daily hunt application. So I have uninstalled those things because I was not interested in those things. So and then I have already set up the fingerprint sensor and the face unlock. So let's test the fingerprint sensor. So here you can see it's really fast. Then let's test the face unlock. So it's super fast, I'm saying you. So here I click and then it opens. It's really fast. This is it for today. Hope you guys like the video. So hit a like for me, hit a like for the smartphone. That's it. If you have any queries, please drop those things in the comment section below. This is it for today. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please do support my channel for more tech videos.